What is up, Geeks 4x4? Today we are going to install the Ruffstuff Cure on my LJ. I was curious about this product. I figured for $20 it would be interesting to at least check it out. And I have to say, I'll show you my results. I'm pretty not mad about the $20. So let's get to the video. What's up, Geeks 4x4? Today we are going to install the Cure from Ruffstuff Specialties. It is a $20 item that is supposed to help the Y-link steering to not roll when it's going into dips and things like that going down the road. I don't know if it's going to work. 20 bucks though. I figured if it works, great, and I'll let you guys know about it. If it doesn't work, great, and I'll let you guys know about it. So anyway, we're going to go through the install here. It's literally, it goes in the tie rod, between the tie rod and the drag link, and just stops the drag link and tie rod from rolling a little bit. Be interesting to see if it works. I'm going to give you guys a review and install it. So stay tuned. Let's get this done. So this installs right between the tie rod and the drag link on this joint right here. First thing you got to do is pull the cotter pin out. So, once you get this tie rod off, this end, you're actually going to pull this boot off that's on here and replace it with the Cure. And so far, pulling this boot off is easier said than done. Okay, there it is. So there is the original boot, and there is it with the Cure installed. So that's kind of interesting because it doesn't seem like it goes all the way up, but it sits right flat on the race, and as it gets tightened down, I'm sure it's going to hold grease in there just as well. So I'm not super concerned about that. And I think we're ready to go back in with it. Got my counter pin hole all lined back up. And it's all back together, as simple as that. I am going to go grab my grease gun and put a little bit of grease in that. And we're going to see what happens here. We're going to go for a little drive. It doesn't have any movement anymore. Remember when I hit to get loose, it doesn't even move now. So far, looks good. And there we are, all greased up. In case you are wondering, the size of this bolt is a 19 millimeter. So same as wheel lugs and everything like that on this Jeep. So there we are, Ruffstuff installed. I'm going to go for a drive and I'll let you guys know if I see any difference. Just wanted to pop in at the end here and say thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. This is no affiliation with Ruffstuff or anything, but a friend of mine actually found this and he was like, what is it going to do? And I was like, I don't know. So I grabbed them. I actually grabbed two of them. I have another one sitting here for the ZJ, and I was going to see, what it would do on both the Jeeps. So anyway, I'm really impressed with it actually. The Jeep drives straighter, and it doesn't fall into the dips. Up here in Washington, we have dips in the road where tires go from snow and stuff like that. I don't know if you guys have that in other states that it snows, but so the Jeep falls in and goes like this and wishy-washes. Well, with this, it doesn't do that quite as much because those bars aren't able to rotate and allow it to fall, I guess. That would be the only understanding I have. But I am impressed with it, and I definitely would recommend it. $20. I mean, it's 5-minute install and $20. It's ridiculous. Not even worth thinking about. Grab it and see if it helps your Jeep out. Thanks for watching today. We really appreciate it. We will see you next time.